Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing how to attach this pendant light cover to this pendant. So first of all, what you do is you need to make sure that the power is completely switched off. Once you've done that, test that the light doesn't switch on or any of the lights don't switch on, and then afterwards unscrew the bulb. So after you've unscrewed the bulb, take off the bottom cap of the pendant fixture, which is the lamp holder, by simply unscrewing it. So once you've taken this off, using blue tack, attach the top part of the lampshade cover to the ceiling just as a temporary fix, because this will help make the next step a lot easier and less fiddly. Okay, so this next section is the trickiest part of the process. So it's when you attach this lampshade cover with the lamp holder screw into place. So what you need to do is you're given this with the actual lampshade holder. So first of all, align this through the smaller side, and how you do that is simply put that facing the smaller side going inwards, and then using your finger hold it into place like that. And then what you'll do after you put this on top is you need to screw this back. So the way you screw this in is you use the smaller side of the hole, which is used to screw in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this through to here, and then whilst doing that I'm going to screw this into place. And you just simply screw it into place. Make sure it's tight first. And now this is quite secure. And once it's been secured, you can take off the tape, the blue tack, sorry, or tape if you use that actually, and then place it just on top of that so it covers the top part of that pendant cover. So it will be like this, and then all you need to do is screw in the bulb and then test. Okay, so now all you need to do is screw the bulb back into place. It's going to be slightly more difficult than when you didn't have a cover, because obviously you can't see through this, but you'll get a feel of it, and then yeah, it should be firmly secured into place. So I'm just having a feel, and the bulb is firmly secured now and it's not moving. So at this stage what I can do is turn the power back on in the mains, and then to test to see if this light bulb works, and then that's it. Now turn the power back on from the mains, and now I'm going to test the light to see if it works. As you can see, the light is working as expected. Now if you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe, because it really helps the channel grow, and thank you for watching.